Nike is bringing its grassroots basketball energy to the public with the Nike Ja 3 EYBL, a standout from the 2025 Elite Youth Basketball League collection. For the first time, an EYBL colorway will be available at retail, giving fans a chance to own what was once reserved for players and insiders. Built for performance, the Ja 3 keeps Ja Morant's signature ZoomX cushioning and grippy outsole, engineered for his explosive style of play. Originally unveiled during the Nike SNKRS Showcase, this version features a pastel-driven palette. Soft pinks dominate the engineered mesh and embroidered upper, complemented by a magenta-teal swoosh on the medial side. A graffiti-like yellow and orange near the heel adds attitude, while the EYBL logo subtly appears on the tongue. This bold design merges court-ready tech with vibrant style, making it one of the most eye-catching releases of the summer. Expect the Nike Ja 3 EYBL to launch at Nike.com and select stores in summer 2025.